Introducing the Smoothie Diet, the ultimate solution for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health. With this program, you can enjoy delicious and easy-to-make smoothies that will help you shed pounds and feel better than ever before. By incorporating the Smoothie Diet into your daily routine, you can experience the benefits of more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, and stabilized blood sugar. If you don't own the Smoothie Diet, you may miss out on the opportunity to transform your body and life. Without the guidance and structure provided by the program, it can be challenging to achieve your weight loss and health goals. You may struggle to find the right balance of nutrients and ingredients to maximize your results and keep the weight off. Additionally, without the support and motivation provided by the Smoothie Diet, you might find it difficult to stay committed to your goals. In this review, we will take a deeper look at the Smoothie Diet and explore all the features and benefits it offers. From the customizable 3-week weight loss schedule to the delicious fat-melting smoothie recipes and helpful bonus guides, we will uncover how this program can help you reach your weight loss and health goals. Stay tuned to discover how the Smoothie Diet can transform your life for the better. How the Smoothie Diet works. The Smoothie Diet is a comprehensive 3-week weight loss and health improvement program designed by health coach Drew. It goes beyond just a collection of smoothie recipes and offers a structured plan to achieve rapid weight loss, increased energy, and overall improved health. Custom 3-week weight loss schedule. The key to the effectiveness of the Smoothie Diet lies in its custom 3-week weight loss schedule. This schedule guides you through a specific sequence and frequency of smoothies to maximize your results. The nutrient and ingredient ratios vary from week to week, ensuring that the weight keeps coming off and stays off. Meal replacement smoothie recipes. With the Smoothie Diet 21-day program, you'll have access to over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes. These recipes are designed to provide you with the right balance of nutrients and flavor to keep you satisfied while promoting weight loss. Shopping lists and smoothie making tips. To make the program even more convenient, the Smoothie Diet provides shopping lists for each week, ensuring you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. The program also offers smoothie making tips to help you prepare the smoothies quickly and easily, minimizing time spent in the kitchen. The Smoothie Diet uses. The Smoothie Diet can be used for various purposes, including weight loss, increased energy, and improved health. Here are some of the key uses of this program. Weight loss. The Smoothie Diet is primarily designed for those who want to lose weight. The structured 3-week schedule and meal replacement smoothies help in creating a calorie deficit and promoting fat loss. By following the program, you can shed pounds and achieve your weight loss goals. Increased energy. In addition to weight loss, the Smoothie Diet also focuses on increasing energy levels. The nutrient-rich smoothies provide your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can boost energy levels and improve overall vitality. Improved health. The Smoothie Diet is not just about weight loss, it aims to improve your overall health as well. The program promotes clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, and stabilized blood sugar levels. By nourishing your body with healthy and nutritious smoothies, you can experience a wide range of health benefits. Who is the Smoothie Diet for? The Smoothie Diet is suitable for anyone who wants to lose weight, increase energy levels, and improve their overall health. It is especially beneficial for those who 1. Want to lose the last 5-10 pounds. 2. Need to get rid of 40 pounds or more. 3. Are looking for a convenient and delicious way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into their diet. The Smoothie Diet is flexible and can be customized to suit individual goals and preferences. It is important to consult with your doctor before making any dietary changes, especially if you have diabetes or any other health condition. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Structured a 3-week schedule for effective weight loss. 2. Over 36 delicious meal replacement smoothie recipes. 3. Shopping lists and smoothie making tips for convenience. 4. Provides a variety of health benefits beyond weight loss. 5. Backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons. 1. Results may vary from person to person. 2. Digital product, no physical items shipped. What customers say about the Smoothie Diet. Customers have reported positive results and satisfaction with the Smoothie Diet. Danielle from Houston, Texas lost 8 pounds in just 1 week and found the program fast and easy to follow. Sarah from Tulsa, Oklahoma dropped 3 pounds in 3 days and experienced increased energy and glowing skin. Jade from Buffalo, New York lost 12 pounds in 21 days and felt confident and happy with her new body. Tips and tricks for best results. To get the best results with the smoothie diet, here are some tips and tricks. 1. Follow the custom 3-week weight loss schedule strictly to maximize results. 2. Prepare your shopping lists in advance to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. 3. Experiment with different ingredient substitutes to suit your preferences. 4. Incorporate exercise and physical activity to enhance weight loss and overall health benefits. 5. Monitor your progress and make adjustments if needed. 6. Consult your doctor before starting any weight loss or dietary program, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary program that offers a structured and proven 3-week weight loss and health improvement plan. Designed by health coach Drew, this program provides delicious meal replacement smoothie recipes, shopping lists, and additional bonuses to help you shed pounds and feel better than ever before. It is suitable for those who want to lose weight, increase energy levels, and improve their overall health. With its flexibility and customization options, the Smoothie Diet can be tailored to individual goals and preferences. Join the thousands of successful individuals who have transformed their bodies and lives with the Smoothie Diet and get started today.